ladies, so today we're going to talk about the Julia dress. I am going to show you guys how to wear her in 3 different sizes and how to implement your current LuLaRoe styles in your closet to style her. So we're going to show you guys how to style and size Julia. I know a lot of you guys out there shy away from Julia because she's so form-fitting. So I'm going to show you how to style her, to feel comfortable in her, and to love her just the way I do. First thing we're going to do is talk about sizes. So I am currently wearing a size large. This is my, according to the size charts, size that I should be wearing. It is recommended for a size 12-14, and it is a size large. Now, I wear a large in other department store clothing, so this is very true to size, very true to form fitting. The next size that I have on is a size extra large. On our size chart, this is recommended for a size 16 to 18. As you can see, I have a lot more room in this, and then you can also see that it's longer down towards my knees. This next size is a 2XL Julia dress. On our sizing chart, she's recommended for a size 20 to 22. As you can see, my size large is very comfortable in this 2XL. She's gotten longer and she's gotten way more roomier. So now that we've gone through the 3 different sizes that you can wear, size up to 3 from your regular size, we are going to talk about styling the Julia in your size chart size. So I'm back in the size large, and I am going to show you how to feel more comfortable in your size chart dress, styling it with your current LuLaRoe styles in your closet. My favorite technique for feeling comfortable in my Julia dress is pairing Julia with a perfect tee. So I am wearing a large Julia underneath and a medium perfect tee on top. This is a perfect look to do with a striped Julia and floral top, or a solid Julia on the bottom and a printed perfect tee on top. My second favorite layering piece to wear with my Julia is the Shirley kimono. Shirley allows me to layer Julia and to feel way more comfortable with fuller coverage in the back, and of course a pop of color in the front. You can definitely wear a solid Julia with a printed Shirley, or a printed Julia and tone down the print with a solid Shirley on top. Last, but certainly not least, is my third favorite trick to wear my Julia. I like to throw over a maxi skirt on top of my form-fitting Julia and turn Julia into a top for my maxi. And it doesn't just stop there with the 3 styles that I showed you. You could definitely use a Sarah cardigan to style it. You can wear it with leggings, and you could even put a joy vest over it. The possibilities are absolutely endless. You can even pull non-LuLaRoe styles from your closet and style it with your own taste. So now that I've shown you guys how to style the Julia dress and not shy away from different sizes, I am challenging you guys to go into those closets, pull those Julia dresses and those other LuLaRoe styles, and make it your own. I would love to see what you guys create. Feel free to join my shopping group at LuLaRoe Georgette Garcia, or you can do a shortcut by typing in www.llrggdolls.com. Thanks, ladies, and I hope you guys have a great day.